I'm Sean Chatterton, the founder and chief executive of Floreon. Floreon is a globally patented bioplastic. That is, a plastic that's made from plants and not oil.
Over the last decade, we have developed and refined a plant-based plastic which will significantly help you reduce your carbon footprint in toy manufacturing by up to 6 times and provide multiple end-of-life options. We recognise that toy brands are facing pressure to reduce their use of plastic and consider more sustainable alternatives, but other options, such as wood, just don't offer the same versatility as oil-based plastics today. At Floreon, we've developed a drop-in solution that processes on existing equipment with little to no modification needed. With globally granted patents, our licensing business model allows Floreon to scale worldwide, and we can work in order to provide whatever support is necessary to help them utilise our groundbreaking technology.
The future of the toy industry should use sustainable materials wherever possible. We have the technology and the know-how to help you make this happen. We welcome this current opportunity to supply you with samples and indicative pricing for Floreon material, and we'll do everything possible to support your efforts to be at the very forefront of sustainability in the toy industry.